Okay, water now. Okay, water and fresh air. Mhm. Much better than Netflix, much better than YouTube, much better than I don't know, like sitting down inside Starbucks. Yeah, I'm not saying that's really bad. Okay, that's okay, but this is better. This is better, right? So this Thanksgiving weekend or holiday, go outside. Okay, have some fresh air and make them healthy, and more importantly, you become healthier. Okay, so if you agree, hit the like button, and you can give me a heart button. Share with your friends and family. Yeah, have fun.